Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable replying to your Instagram stories using the Instagram app on your PC, featuring the latest update. This is perfect if you want to maintain privacy or reduce unwanted messages on your stories. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and find the More icon. This usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Message and Story Replies. Click on this to open the reply settings for your stories. Now, enter the Story Replies option. Here, you'll see different choices for who can reply to your stories. To completely disable replies, simply select Off. This means no one will be able to send you messages in response to your stories, while they can still view them. After selecting Off, your preference will be saved automatically, and you can exit the settings. From now on, your Instagram stories will no longer accept replies, giving you a quieter, more controlled experience on the platform. Remember, you can always return to these settings if you decide to allow replies again in the future. This feature is a great way to customize your Instagram interactions and protect your privacy with just a few clicks. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled story replies on Instagram using your PC. Enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience without interruptions.